everybody, Danny Mills here with DataComm Electronics. We're out here on a job site with Langston Creative Systems, and we're doing a live install of the DataComm Electronics cable trench system. So if you look over here, we got the guys here installing the back boxes now. These are made in 15-inch increments. So they're basically made to make any size trench you want, anywhere from 15 inches to 150 inches, depending on how high you want to go. But completely modular, completely custom. We've got different style face plates. We got blank plates and then exit point plates as well, with brush covers for your rack system installs. So we're going to show you more on how this is installed. They are attaching each 15-inch section of the cable trench together using screws. You've got 4 screws in the back holding them together, and then 2 on each side, top and bottom, to the stud, as well as the wings on the side to mount to the stud as well for extra support. So you can see here they are using the CT752P, which is the 75-inch system that you can buy in one kit. So it's 5 back boxes to make a total of 75 inches total. You can see the bottom box down here has your 1 and 2 inch conduit knockouts, as well as your electrical box knockout as well if you want to put power in. See here for the top plate, he's putting on the end cap just for a more aesthetic finished look here. So are you just going to put those on and then, are they drywall in this room?
No.
Oh, okay.
So we're going to screw straight into the stud on these. This one you just can't go crazy and torque it down. Yeah, it'll snap quick. Go all the way back.
And you can see here that each cover just snaps together with the locking tabs.
Make it look easy.
Now that they've determined where they want to put their brush cover on here, that's all based upon the size of the rack, where they have the wire coming into the rack, and they have determined that based on that height, the brush exit point cover would be best on the 4th stage or 2nd from the bottom here, to give a nice loop coming up to the rack.
A lot of wire stick over here. Yeah, it always is. The good thing is though, the brush is actually big enough to not be
Any smaller,
complicated. Yeah,
an issue.
any smaller would be a problem. Each bundle of cat that we've got separated out per like TVs or network or whatever they are.
Gotcha.
And so then when we come in, we'll bring all that in and we'll land each bank of cat at a certain place. All the speakers will be at the bottom of one rack.
Yeah.
So you'll have one rack that's pretty much audio, then you'll have one rack that's all the video and all the other stuff over here.
Gotcha.
It takes a lot for the network, but it takes a lot to push all these speakers that you got in this house, because there's a ton in this house.
Right.
In the ideal world, every wire would be labeled correctly.
Yeah.
In our situation, like the labels fall off because all the cramps on the wires, or the guys that were pulling the wire don't really know what.
If somebody had bent on a labeler that actually stuck to the wires, we'd be great.
So what ended up happening, usually tone back like everything one by one, figure out what it's going to be used for, then we can land it at the appropriate spot.
We actually go to all the trouble of every time we go on a job, as we start it, we'll take our labelers and we'll label every single wire as it comes off.
Yeah.
So we've got each end labeled. We know which one's cat 1, 2, or 3 to TV.
Yeah.
But then as soon as it sits for a little while, sheetrock dust gets on it and the moisture and everything from painting, the labels just fall off. You come back and you're like, oh great, we don't know what
But
that
at
is.
least you got 75% of them on there. So still.
You'll know a majority of it. You're just going to be missing like, 20, 30 labels here and there when they fall off.
Sure.
jumping to it.